jealous cause we be the superstars in your life.
Blah, blah, blah.
Trying to be like us cause you really don't know who you are. Whatever, kid.
Blah, blah, blah.
Saying this and that every time I turn my back. What is that? I'll tell you.
Blah, blah, blah.
Trying to make beats with the same old loops and guitars. Whatever, kid.
Blah, blah, blah.
Yo, I didn't come here to mingle or get jiggy, kid. Like all them other singles, I came to show and prove that I rip. My name is Mr. Nabarak and I shall never slip. That is my duty as an MC, to rhyme over breaks and freestyle automatically. I see a lot of kids with problems, so as an MC I came to solve them. See, your ritual's habitual of being pitiful, of making real rappers like me very miserable. It's often critical, so I criticize all them fake guys. Now you must realize that'll start through your dwelling, yelling at your melon with 5 damn reasons why your vinyl ain't selling. See, we're propelling and you're not. Your record sits on the shelf and continues to rot. We drop me and him and none of y'all can hack it. See me and vibe on your singles bracket. Heard my voice and couldn't stand it. I flew your head so fast, many thought it was a planet. See us in the gym and you're jealous cause we be the superstars in your life.
Blah, blah, blah.
Trying to be like me cause you really don't know who you are. Whatever, kid.
Blah, blah, blah.
Saying this and that every time we turn our backs. What is that? I'll tell you.
Blah, blah, blah.
Trying to make beats with the same old loops and guitars. Whatever, kid.
Blah, blah, blah.
I be the fabulous. Thus when I bust, I pop all your heads like zits filled with pus. Roll with us, we be the rap charismatics, putting girls in more positions than Craftmatics. Drive through traffic with my face in bras. Last year, you see my face on Mars. I spit intoxicants, rip your documents. Rhyme so fast, I'm like a blur to your occupants. Occupants often seek new surveillance, but they can't detect me with my assailants. I rip mics, dikes, and podiums. They call me NA for short, just like sodium.
That was a little bit wet.